Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna dive into a crucial topic, making your website accessible to everyone. Whether you're a web developer or someone interested in creating your own website, understanding the basic rules of web accessibility is essential. In this video, I'll guide you through the key principles and guidelines to ensure your website is inclusive and usable for all. So let's jump right in. Hi, I'm Veronica, and as you might know, I'm a software engineer working remotely at Microsoft. You probably heard of famous Microsoft's mission statement to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. When we are writing software, especially when we are creating websites for a wide audience, do we really think about every person? According to a recent WebAIM study, only 42.38 million websites are accessible, accounting for only 2.6% of all websites. This means that 97.4% of websites are not accessible, which is actually a concerning statistics. By the way, talking about statistics, let's check it out. Globally, there are at least 2.2 billion people who have near or distant vision impairment. Approximately 20 million Americans have visual impairments, accounting for 8% of the US population. And it's not only about people. According to recent estimates, companies without accessible sites are losing out on approximately $6.9 billion in revenue. Well, now we know there is some place for improvement. Let's start with the fundamental rules you need to follow when designing your website. Rule number 1. Provide alternative text for images. Providing alternative text for images is important because screen readers, which are assistive tools used by people with visual impairments, rely on alternative text to describe images. So make sure to include descriptive alt tags that convey the meaning and context of each image. Rule number 2. Usage of proper heading structure. Headings not only help sighted users navigate your content, but they're also crucial for individuals using screen readers. By using the correct HTML structure, you'll ensure your headings are hierarchical and logically organized. Moving on to the rule number 3. Ensure color contrast. Many people with visual impairments struggle to read text that doesn't have sufficient contrast with the background. So it's vital to choose colors that provide a clear contrast to improve readability. Sometimes finding the right font color is tricky, especially if you are using a background image. In such cases, I would highly recommend you to use this website, which will help you to choose the perfect font and background color combinations for your website. Rule number 4. Use descriptive link text. When creating hyperlinks, it's important to use descriptive text that gives users a clear understanding of where the link will take them. Avoid generic phrases like "click here" or "read more" and substitute them with "read more about accessibility," for example. Rule number 5. Make your website keyboard accessible. Some users can't rely on a mouse or touchpad to navigate your site, so it's crucial to ensure all interactive elements can be accessed and activated using only the keyboard. For example, all forms on your website must be easy to use so that users can easily navigate them using only a keyboard. By the way, regarding forms, all form fields on your website must have label tags, and a label tag describes the purpose of the form field. And finally, rule number 6. Provide captions and transcripts for multimedia content. Remember, accessibility is an ongoing process. It's important to continuously test and improve your website's accessibility, considering the diverse needs of your users. To check if your website is ADA compliant, you actually can use this free tool, accessible.com. Let's use it to test Netflix website, for example. We can see that it is labeled as semi-compliant, so quite a few things still could be improved. And you can see a lot of those in this small report. You might see that there is much more to this topic than we just discussed today. But by following at least these basic rules, you are taking a significant step toward creating an inclusive online space. Remember, making your website accessible benefits everyone, not just those with disabilities. In fact, when your website meets ADA requirements, it is more likely to rank higher in search engines. It is indeed one of the ranking factors. As we discussed earlier, there are a ton of websites that are lacking accessibility compliance. So if you are interested in this matter, you can learn how to fix that and propose different website owners to hire you for that task. Depending on the size and complexity of a website, it can cost anywhere from a few $100s to a few $1,000s to make a website ADA compliant. It is a great opportunity to make the digital world a little bit better and earn some money. Okay friends, I will leave all the links to these tools in the description box below so you can practice the skills you got today by yourself. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. Thanks for watching this video till the end. See you soon. Bye!